What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jake, and today I will be changing a blower motor on my fiance's 2013 Mazda CX-5. I'm going to make this video just to show you literally how simple this is to change, and you can do it yourself without paying the shop couple hundred bucks. I don't know what they charge, but literally all you need is a blower motor. I got mine from O'Reilly's for 130 bucks, and this guy here, Phillips head screwdriver, and that will be it. But yeah, I'll show you real quick how quick and easy this is to change, and maybe it'll save y'all some money. Alright, so you got the passenger side of the car, the front, go under the glove box here, and there's this little access panel. There's a clip right here you push forward, and another one right here, push it forward, pulls down, pull it back to you, boom. And then your blower motor's right here with 1, 2, and 3 Phillips head screws. Unplug this thing right here. Hopefully y'all can see that. Boom. Take your 3 screws out, drop this down, put your new one in. It's literally as simple as that. Put your cover back on. There you go. Maybe it'll save you some money and time with your car not being in the shop. Yeah, hope this helps, guys. Thanks for watching.
A sharper shade.